How years and it's almost Wednesday. It's Cinco de Noviembre 2025. So yeah, it's carrying on.
So para sa mga clients natin sa marketing kasi push po. Dahil sa business is a work for us.
Sir. Salamat po. Congratulations po.
Ano po yun? Sobrang understand sa'yo. Dahil dyan, inisip ko, i-assign sa'yo ang biggest client na. JTK
So
na pa.
comments have you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! It's
Mag-lunch ka na muna.
Negros Day, yay! Let's just go through this.
Salamat po.
Congratulations.
Maraming kapatid si Dr. Jose Rizal. At ang pinakapangalan niyang kapatid ay si Tornina Rizal. Si Pasiano Mercado Rizal, Narcisa Rizal or simply Sisa, Olympia Rizal, Lucia
Negros Day.
Rizal Herbosa, Maria Rizal Cruz, Concepcion Rizal, Josefa Rizal, Trinidad Rizal, at ang pinakabata nilang kapatid si Soledad Rizal.
Sir Rocky, ang hirap naman kami sabihin ng nakulan. Pwede nga po sir mo, natsagaan yung mag-i-score teacher.
Masarap naman balikan ang nakaraan. At ang sabi nga ni George Santayana, those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. And guys, sa comment mo, Gio, get 1/4 sheet of paper.
Shoot. Three? Huh? 1, 2, 3. Shh. Yeah, Cinco de Noviembre. Alright, guys. Stitch. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do this video. Don't forget to my channel, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.
Cheers na laro.
Negros Day to you all.